Today, we will review the Skyward F24 G30Q gaming monitor. It comes with 23.8 screen size, 2K QHD resolution, and 180Hz refresh rate. Para naman sa price, 7,599. Worth it kaya? Pero bago natin pag-usapan yan, check muna natin kung ano yung mga kasama niya sa box. Out of the box, we have user's manual, DisplayPort cable, power adapter, stand, and base. Madali lang siyang i-set up and wala ka nang kailangan i-screw dito. Expect mo lang talaga na kapag ganito yung stand, medyo wobbly yung screen and tilt lang yung adjustment na magagawa mo. Design-wise, modern look, hexagonal base, thin bezels, and matte screen. Also, may minimal logo dito for branding. At the back, clean design and BESA compatible. For connectivity, it comes with 2 HDMI 2.0, DisplayPort 1.4, and audio out port. As per the display, it features 2K QHD resolution with 180Hz refresh rate, 1ms gray-to-gray response time, 370 nits brightness, and IPS panel. Now, sa picture quality, sharp text, and detailed image. So yun talaga yung una kong napansin. Kaya kung galing ka sa 24-inch Full HD and mag-upgrade ka to 24-inch 2K QHD, mapapansin mo talaga yung difference. In addition, may 5 color space. Perfect para sa mga naghahanap ng monitor na hindi lang for gaming but also for photo and video editing. Supported din ito yung HDR and even na HDR10 lang siya. Still, enhance pa din yung visual na makikita mo sa screen. Add ko lang din yung features niya na light sensitive, so automatic niya na-adjust yung brightness based sa environment mo. For the OSD menu, you can navigate using 5-way joystick. Meron tong 6 display modes along with options to adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation. You can also choose from different color space, depende sa needs mo. May options din for color temperature. Dito mo din iti-turn on yung light sensor and ultra vivid mode. And for gamers, of course, meron tong game enhancement where you can turn on the adaptive sync, adjust the overdrive, and tweak other settings to improve your gaming experience. In my gaming experience, very smooth ng performance sa Valorant. Na-achieve niya talaga yung 180Hz refresh rate and minimal lang yung ghosting. Same goes sa Dota 2, fluid and responsive. Kaya solid yung visual experience. Decent din for AAA games dahil vibrant colors and detailed graphics. I mean, maganda talaga yung color quality. Pagdating sa dark scenes, not bad na. Though di ganun kadip yung blocks dahil IPS panel, still decent. Wala din akong na-encounter na screen tearing, stuttering, or input lag during gaming. And para sa magtatanong kung G-Sync compatible, adaptive sync supported lang siya. But smooth pa din naman and stable, so walang problema. For productivity, as I mentioned kanina, okay to for photo and video editing. Dahil accurate and natural color talaga yung makikita mo sa screen. Ideal din for web design and content creation. Sharp din yung text kaya perfect for Google Sheets or reading documents. Additionally, may low blue light technology na malaking tulong sa mata natin, especially during long periods of use. Overall, I think this monitor is worth it para sa price niya, lalo na pagdating sa color quality. Plus, sa part na may 5 options ka pa sa color space, sobrang panalo since hindi naman lahat ng monitor kayang i-offer yon. Performance-wise, smooth yung mga games na madalas kong laruin and mas na-enjoy ko sa monitor na to. Siguro dahil galing ako sa 24-inch Full HD, kaya nung ito na yung gamit ko, sobrang napansin ko talaga yung difference sa sharpness and details. Ang nakikita ko lang na issue dito, yung IPS glow, which is normal sa IPS panel. So kung interested kayo sa monitor na to, just click the link in your description and kung meron kayong other questions, i-comment nyo lang and sasagutin natin yan. Thank you guys and I hope nakatulong ako. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Sobrang laking tulong sa akin yan. See you in the next video.